If you look in the mirror and your skin looks older than you feel, don't blame your genetics yet. After 60, what you see in the mirror may not just be time passing. It may be a signal that something specific is missing from what you drink every single day. The first fix may already be in your kitchen, in the part of a lemon most people throw in the trash every morning. But before we get there, try this right now. Take 2 fingers. Pinch the skin on the back of your hand. Hold it 2 seconds. Let go. Does it snap back immediately? Or does it move slowly, stay raised for a second before it settles flat? If it snapped back fast, good. If it moves slowly, that's a pattern worth understanding. And that's exactly what this video is about. Most people look at their skin and say the same thing. It's genetics. It's age. My mother looked the same way. There's nothing I can do. And so they buy another cream. Drink more water. Try a collagen lotion that promises something on the label. Nothing changes, and eventually they accept it. Stop blaming age for a second, because aging is only one piece of what's happening. There are at least 3 other things quietly driving what you see in that mirror, and none of them are locked in your DNA. The standard explanation isn't wrong. It's just incomplete. And that incompleteness is exactly why the creams don't hold and the water doesn't help. This is where most people get fooled. After 60, 3 things start happening at the same time inside your skin, and plain water is not addressing any of them. Here's the first one. Your skin cells have tiny doorways that move water from your bloodstream directly into the dermal layer. After 60, those doorways, called aquaporins, start to narrow. Plain water hits a traffic jam before it ever arrives. You may be drinking enough. Your skin cells may still be thirsty. Collagen doesn't form in empty space. It needs specific raw materials to build correctly, and one of the most important is silica. As silica quietly declines with age, the framework that holds your skin firm starts to weaken from the inside, not from the surface, from underneath. Third, the rust. Free radicals from decades of UV exposure and normal cellular metabolism accumulate and attack collagen fibers directly. Like rust forming inside a metal beam, invisible on the outside until the structure starts to bend. Your creams treat the surface of that beam, but if the scaffold underneath is rusting and the raw materials aren't arriving, no surface treatment holds it up. That is the mechanism. And it's exactly what the 5 things in this video address. Let me tell you about Margaret. She had been drinking 8 glasses of water every day for years. She used an expensive night cream. Her daughter had recommended a collagen lotion. She'd tried that too. Her jawline kept sagging. The skin on her neck had started to look crepe-like. She had a photo of her mother at 70 on the dresser, and she was starting to look like that photo. She'd always told herself, that's just what happens. That's where we come from. That's what you accept. What Margaret hadn't connected, her nails had started breaking, splitting easily, showing faint vertical ridges. She assumed it was just age too. But nails and skin are fed by the same connective tissue system. When the scaffold weakens, both show it. Her nails were the earlier warning sign she had been overlooking for 2 years. When she understood that her skin wasn't just aging, that it was missing specific inputs her plain water couldn't deliver, the picture shifted completely. She wasn't doing it wrong. She just hadn't been given the full story. She added 2 things to her morning: lemon zest water and collagen peptides dissolved in warm water. After about 10 weeks, her nails stopped breaking. The snap test on her hand moved faster. Her skin felt more resilient, less like paper, more like skin. She didn't look 50 again, but she stopped feeling like she was losing a fight she didn't understand. Now let's talk about what she actually added, and I'll be honest with you about the evidence behind each one, because they are not all equal. Ingredient 1, lemon zest. The part of the lemon you've been throwing away every morning, that's the one we want. That peel contains a compound called hesperidin. What it does is target the enzymes that break down collagen, especially under UV stress. Cell studies suggest it may inhibit that breakdown while also signaling new collagen production in the cells that build it. The part you've been discarding may be doing something your $80 serum is trying to do from the outside. The evidence here is honest, strong in lab and cell studies, more limited in large human trials. But the mechanism is real, and the cost is zero. Organic lemon only. You're using the peel, not the juice, so source matters here. Zest half of it. Steep in warm water, not boiling, for 5 minutes each morning. That's your first step. One caution: if you take blood-thinning medication, check with your doctor before adding this. Lemon zest activates the machinery, but that machinery needs something to build on. And that brings us to your nails. Ingredient 2. Food-grade silica from horsetail extract. Look at your nails right now, not the polish, the actual nail. Are they breaking easily, splitting, showing faint vertical ridges? This is not a separate aging problem from your skin. Nails and skin run on the same structural system, connective tissue. When the underlying scaffold weakens, both reflect it. That scaffold is built partly from silica. Silicon is an established cofactor in collagen synthesis. It provides the framework collagen fibers need to form correctly. When it declines with age, the matrix weakens from the inside. Food-grade silica, most commonly sourced from horsetail extract, is available as a water-soluble supplement. The biological mechanism here is well established. Large-scale human skin trials are more limited. Take it as directed on the label. One important caution: if you have any kidney condition, do not add silica without speaking to your doctor first. That matters. Silica builds the scaffold, but if oxidative damage is tearing collagen down faster than you can build it, you're running in place. That's where the next ingredient comes in, and it works differently from any antioxidant most people have tried. Ingredient 3. Molecular hydrogen water. Most antioxidants work broadly. They fight every reactive oxygen species, including the ones your cells actually need for normal signaling. That blunt approach has its limits. Molecular hydrogen may be different. Research suggests it selectively targets hydroxyl radicals, the most destructive type of free radical, the ones doing the most direct damage to collagen, and converts them into plain water, without disrupting the rest of your cellular chemistry. Think of it this way. Most antioxidants cut the power to the whole house to stop one electrical fire. Hydrogen may act more like a precision circuit breaker, targeting only the dangerous shorts. I want to be transparent. This is promising science, but most skin-specific human studies are still small scale. I'm not overstating it. H2 tablet dissolved in water. Drink it immediately. H2 dissipates within minutes. Check product quality before buying. Sources vary widely. This addresses the destruction side of collagen damage, but there's still the supply side. And the next ingredient is the one with the strongest human evidence on this entire list. Ingredient 4. Collagen peptides, type 1 and type 3. This is the one I'd start with if you're starting from zero. Multiple clinical trials in actual humans, not just cell studies, show that hydrolyzed collagen peptides are associated with real improvements. Skin elasticity, skin hydration, reduced fine lines. Over 8 to 12 weeks of consistent daily use. That's the key phrase. Consistent and patient. Here's the mistake that makes most people give up. They take collagen for 2 weeks, see nothing, and stop. The research shows meaningful changes don't appear until the 8 to 12 week mark. You have to stay with it. 2.5 to 10 grams dissolved in warm water daily. Type 1 and 3 specifically, these are the structural and flexibility collagens of your skin. Caution: fish allergy means avoid marine sources. Any kidney concerns, check with your physician. If you start nothing else from this video, start here. Ingredient 5, and this one is different from everything else on this list. Most people stop at 4. Scientists are studying a compound inside an ancient root that may influence something even deeper than collagen. something to do with how your cells count their own lifespan. That root is astragalus. Inside it is a compound called cycloestrogenol. In lab and animal studies, it has shown the ability to activate an enzyme called telomerase, which is involved in maintaining telomere length. Telomeres are the protective caps on your chromosomes. When they shorten significantly, cells lose their ability to renew themselves. I need to be clear about this one. This is early science. The mechanism is real. Lab data is real. But large-scale human trials confirming skin outcomes are still limited. I am not telling you this reverses aging. I am telling you this is what scientists are watching, and it may be the most significant area of aging research in the next decade. Simmer 3 to 5 dried astragalus root slices in water for 20 to 30 minutes. Strain it. 1 to 2 cups daily. 2 hard cautions. If you take immunosuppressant medication, do not use astragalus without speaking to your doctor. Same if you have an autoimmune condition, and avoid it during any active infection. Before I give you the morning routine, stop. There are a few skin patterns that should not be managed at home. Please hear this part. Do not ignore sudden, significant skin thinning across your body, or if you've started bruising very easily from minor contact. That can be associated with medication side effects, circulation issues, or deficiencies that need medical evaluation. See your doctor. Do not ignore a new spot, sore, or mole that has changed in color, size, or shape. That needs a dermatologist, not a supplement. Don't wait. Do not continue any supplement on this list if you develop a significant skin rash or reaction. Stop it and consult your physician before restarting anything. Do not delay a medical appointment if skin changes appear alongside unexplained weight loss. That combination always warrants evaluation. And if you have any kidney history, check with your doctor before adding silica. That applies to this list specifically. Here's how to make this practical. You don't need all 5 tomorrow. Start with what you have. Step 1. Lemon zest water. Organic lemon. Zest half of it. Steep in warm water 5 minutes. Free. Start today. Step 2. Collagen peptides. 2.5 to 10 grams in warm water every day for a minimum of 8 to 12 weeks. Best evidence on this list. If you do one thing, do this. Step 3. Silica supplement. Follow the product label. Skip if you have any kidney history without medical guidance. Step 4. Hydrogen water. H2 tablet. Dissolved. Drink immediately. Research is promising. Quality matters. Step 5. Astragalus root tea. Simmer the root, strain it. 1 to 2 cups. Only if you're not on immunosuppressants and have no autoimmune condition. If you want to keep it simple, lemon zest and collagen peptides. Those two give you the most accessible and best supported starting point on this list. Before you close this, 3 things worth remembering. Your skin may not be aging faster than normal. It may be missing specific inputs that plain water alone cannot provide after 60. More water is not always the answer, because how your body moves water into skin cells changes with age, and collagen synthesis requires raw materials that water doesn't carry on its own. And the snap test on your hand is the simplest pattern to check. If the results surprised you, you now know where to start. The sagging and the wrinkles are not just cosmetic complaints. They may be early signals from a system that needs better support. The visible sign is not always the problem. Sometimes it's the alarm. Before you go, one question. Which of these 5 are you starting with? Comment lemon, collagen, or snap below. And drop your age group, 50s, 60s, 70s, or 80s. I want to know who this is actually reaching.